So, ito yung isang klase ng cherry, oh. Yung pulang-pula sila. Yung pula na parang maroon. Yan natin, ah. Ganyan, oh. Pulang-pula. Saan ba? Madilim. Yan, oh. Very red. Yeah. Like that. So, that's the other kind. I think that's the one that's mostly sold also in the market. Yan, oh. Diba? As in, ang daming hinog. Yan. I didn't know. Especially this one. Ang dami-dami nitong bunga. Ito mas to eh. Mas maliit. Mas mas kulit to eh. Alay, may nettles. Ito. This is prickly plant. Yun, pag na-touch niya sa skin mo, ay, mama mia. Parang masakit na makate. Anyways, the second method na pwede natin gamitin para mag-harvest ng cherry is using this ladder. Yan, hagdanan. So, tutungtong lang ako dyan. Tapos, mag-harvest na ako sa doon. Right, so, yeah. Mostly si Habi ito yung ginagamit niya. Ay, kasi matangkad naman siya. So, let's begin harvesting this lots and lots of these cherries. Yeah. Kasi parang uulan na, kaya bilisan na natin. Parang uulan na. Ayan na, oh. Cloudy sky na naman. Wow. Actually, sometimes, pag may storm na darating, ang ganda ng, ng cloud formation. Pag may storm na darating. But, it's quite nice. See? How nice the cloud formations. See that? But I think wala namang storm today, only probably rain. Right, let's get started harvesting this one. Ano muna tayong pantalon para mahulog. Loose kasi yung pantalon ko. So yeah, that's how it is, and I think no, I would make it. There's a lot of them ready to harvest, but ang dami-dami talaga ng bunga, and I don't think I'll be able to harvest them all. And yeah, one thing is, ito palang cherry na to, itong type na to, yung pulang-pula. Wait, puntahan natin. Yan, oh. Ito pala, hindi ko kita. Yan. Is, I think, hindi siya ganun kasarap. Iba yung niya, iba yung lasa niya. Ang dilim. Saan ba ako? Dilim. Hindi ko nakikita yung iba yung lasa. So, I think, kung based from the taste, I think the other one is better. So, ayan so far ang aking harvest. Yung mga pula. And I think this type, they taste better than the red one. They taste better. These ones are better. I think they have interesting taste than these. This, I think very plain yung lasa nila, which for me, I'm not really that interested. That's why for me, I'm really more fond of raspberries. Mas gusto ko talaga yung raspberries kasi very interesting yung lasa niya. Yung taste is very interesting, raspberries. Kaysa nitong cherries. For me, cherries are, sorry to say, but nothing special. Charot. Ay, pag-ganon. So yeah, so this pala, for me lang ha, I prefer the taste of this. I think. So definitely, if kakainin ko to, i-ano ko to sa asin na naman. They're more firm. Yeah. Mahal to ha. Right now that in season, ang per kilo nito, especially these ones, I think these are the ones mostly in the market. Per kilo nito is nasa 12 zlotys. So that's like, I would say probably more or less. Naisnis ako. Excuse me. So I think per kilo nito in peso is like 150 pesos. So yung 12 zloty is, my god, makakabili ka na ng karne, 1 kilong karne nun. So anong pipiliin mo? 1 kilong cherries or 1 kilong karne? Could be, I think, yes, it depends which part of the meat. But definitely you can buy 1 kilo of meat in that price. So yep, there's a lot to harvest, and I think I'm not gonna harvest because nobody will eat, and I don't know if, say, my friend will like this cherries also. But yeah, it's a waste. It's pity. But maybe next time, ga-harvest ako tapos bibenta ko, lalako ko. So I think I'm gonna harvest. I mean, like, I'm kind of shy also to offer it to our neighbors. So, yep, they have kids. Probably the kids will love these cherries. So I don't know really what I'm gonna do now. What do you think? Anong suggestion niyo, mga kapatid? Paki-chat lang dyan or comment down below kung anong gagawin natin sa mga cherries na ito. Nasipon ako, naantar ng aking allergy, wala na. So, yeah, such a pity. Really, there's a lot of them. Really lots and lots of them. Pag zino-zoom kasi ito ng bonggang cellphone, hindi na clear. O diba, nag-wrap na sila. So, yeah. The other one, not much left na. The fruits. Kasi ito yung mas naunang nahinog eh. And I think yan yung tinitira. And they rot faster also than the other one. Maybe because they have softer skin. So yeah, I think I'm gonna harvest more of those than this. Unfortunately, yeah, there will be feeds for birds. So that's it, I think. So yeah, recap sa ating paano mag-harvest ng cherries. Gumamit ng hagdanan or ladder, and gumamit ng stick. O kung abot, syempre, kung gusto nyong umakyat ay umakyat kayo. Kung hindi naman, kung abot kamay lang, abot kamay lang din. Ano yun? Diba? Yan. Ito I think mas maganda. They're more nicer in taste. Yeah. But they're both juicy, I think. The other one has crunchy skin, maybe more than this. Anyways, that's it for our cherry harvest for today. Bye bye cherries. Bye cherries for now, and I don't think there will be some left still when I come back. Right. Oops. Bye bye cherries.